Oopsie. Sorry, guys.
Cloudy with a producing heavy rain.
I think this is it.
Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen along the Kansas border. Flash flooding could begin soon. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Wymore, Pawnee City, Odell, Summerfield, Dubois, Barnston, Liberty, the Highway 75 and 8 Junction, and Camp Cornhusker. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches could still occur through to afternoon. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.